Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Friendly. For few months I will be teaching on the study table instead of that whiteboard, as I have to change the setup of my classroom. So kindly cooperate with me and rest everything will be as earlier. Now let's start the class. In today's class we will do question number 11 of exercise 3.2 from chapter 3, which is playing with numbers, from 6th class Maths NCERT book. Now let us see what is the question. Write 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. So what we have to do, solution of this question. Write 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. So first we will write all the prime numbers less than 20. Okay, so what are those prime numbers which are less than 20? They are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Okay, after that which prime number is there? It is 23. Okay, but we will not take 23 because in the question it is given that write 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20. So only the prime numbers which are less than 20 will be used, means up to 19 only we will use. Okay, now write 5 pairs of prime numbers, means pair means 2. So we will use 2 prime numbers whose less than 20 we have taken, whose sum is divisible by 5. Okay, it means if we take 7 and 13, see 7 and 13 are prime numbers, and if we find the sum of these two numbers, which is 20, is divisible by 5, because 20 is divisible by 5. 5 fours are 20. The remainder is 0. It means 20 is completely divisible by 5. So we have to write 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum means we have to add those two prime numbers whose sum is divisible by 5, and that sum should be divisible by 5. So we have to find such pair of prime numbers. We have to find such two numbers. Okay, and we have to find the sum of those two numbers, and we have to check whether that sum is divisible by 5 or not. So let us do that. So first we will take 2. Okay, in 2 what we add to get a number which is divisible by 5? So 2 plus 3. See, if we do 2 plus 3, which gives 5 and which is divisible by 5, right? It is divisible by 5. Okay, again in 2 what we add so that we can get a number which is divisible by 5? See, 2 plus 5 if we do, 2 plus 5 if we do, we will get 7, which is not divisible by 5. If we do 2 plus 7 will give 9, which is not, this 9 is not, the sum is not divisible by 5. So we can't take 2 and 7. Okay, so 2 and 11 if we take, it will be 13. 13 is also not divisible by 5. So we will take 2 and 13. See, if we do 2 plus 13, it gives 15, which is divisible by 5, right? See, which gives 15. 15 is divisible by 5. 5 3s are 15. Remainder is 0. It means 15 is completely divisible by 5. So we can say that we can take these two numbers, right? Now let us check for 3. 3 plus 5 if we do, we will get 8, which is not divisible by 5. 3 plus 7 we can take, right? And we can also take 3 and 17, right? We have to take such 5 pairs of prime numbers. 1 and 2 we have taken already. So 3 plus 17 if we do, see 3 plus 17 will give 20, right? And 20 is divisible by 5, because when we divide 20 by 5 we get the remainder 0, means 20 is completely divisible by 5. So this is one pair of prime numbers whose sum is divisible by 5. Now what we will take? We will see if we take 5 plus 7 is 12, not possible. 5 plus 11 is 16. 16 is not divisible by 5. 5 plus 3, 13 is 18, not divisible by 5. 5 plus 17 is 22, not divisible by 5. So we will 5 plus 19 also is 24, not divisible by 5. So we cannot take 5 plus anything. Now let us check for 7. 7 plus 13, if we do, what we will get? We will get 20. 7 plus 13 will give 20. Okay. So, and 20 is divisible by 5. So, we can take this two pair of prime numbers whose sum is 20 and 20 is divisible by 5. Now, what we can take? We can take 11 and 19. Like that you can check with 7 and 17, 7 and 19, and you will find that the sum of these two numbers is not divisible by 5. So, what we can take next? Next is 11 plus 19. Okay, 11 plus 13 is also not divisible by 5. 11 plus 17 also not divisible by 5. 11 plus 19 gives how much? It gives 30. Okay, and 30 is divisible by, see, 11 plus 19 is 30, and this number 30 is divisible by 5. Okay, these all numbers are divisible by 5, and we can take these pairs of prime numbers. So what we can write in our answers? So what pair of numbers we got? 2 and 3. Write 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20. These all are less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. See, the sum of these two prime numbers are all divisible by 5. So first pair is 2 and 3. The second pair is 2 and 13. The third pair is 3 and 17. And fourth pair is 7, 13 and 13. And the last one is 11 and 19. Okay, are 5 pairs of prime numbers. We can write that statement. Are 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. Are 5 pairs of. So we got our answers. We got the 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. Okay, so we have understood this question. In the next class, we will do question number 12 of the same exercise 3.2 from chapter 3, which is playing with numbers, from 6th class maths NCERT book. If you like my teaching, then share the video with your friends and relatives, and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of the upcoming videos. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.